The Rubik's Cube, the modern-day man's Pandora's box. Ever since its inception in 1974 by Professor Erno Rubik of Budapest, this three-dimensional puzzle has been an intellectual plague to the world's most brilliant minds. Today, we solve the mystery of the Rubik's Cube in Mysteries of the Gentleman. We begin by taking the scrambled cube in your hands. Carefully examine it and look for any possible patterns in the mixed colours. Now, take the Rubik's Cube, place it on a table, and then beat it with a hammer. Now, using glue, put the pieces back together in the correct order. Congratulations! You've done it!
Wow!
Join us next time when we unravel the mystery of male pattern baldness in Mysteries of the Gentleman.
Are you tired of being alone? Then give a cute mom some books. These children's books. And pretty soon, my friend, you'll never be lonely again.
I'm going out.
Buy these books on Amazon today. See them for free at sqwakdotcom.